Healing isn't gentle. It's demolition. It tears down every version of you that was built to survive instead of live. You'll think you're losing your mind, but really you're losing your programming. Chapter 1, The Breaking Point. There's a moment you'll reach, quiet, terrifying, when pretending no longer works. The mask you've worn begins to crack, and you realize that the life you built around avoiding pain has become the very thing causing it. You'll wake up one morning and feel it. The weight of every compromise, every forced smile, every "I'm fine" that wasn't. That's the moment healing begins. Not with peace, but with truth. Because truth destroys before it rebuilds. You'll lose the version of yourself that kept the peace to avoid abandonment. You'll lose the one who accepted less just to feel something. You'll lose the one who called chaos love, and when those pieces fall away, you'll mistake it for failure, but it's freedom. Chapter 2, The Price of Awareness. Awareness costs everything that kept you comfortable. You'll see people differently. The ones you once called friends will start to sound distant. Their conversations will feel hollow. Their laughter won't reach you anymore. Because you've changed frequencies, and they're still tuned to the noise you outgrew. You'll outgrow rooms that used to excite you. You'll outgrow arguments that once defined you. You'll even outgrow your own reflection, the one that smiled to please instead of to mean it. Healing will isolate you before it integrates you. And that isolation isn't punishment, it's purification. You'll start to crave quiet more than validation, peace more than attention, and solitude more than company that cost your energy. This is the price of awareness. You can never go back to sleep. Chapter 3, The Withdrawal. You'll think something's wrong with you. You'll wonder why you feel numb when you should feel proud. Why peace feels empty, why calm feels boring, why silence feels loud. You've spent years addicted to chaos. Dopamine spikes from drama, the adrenaline of being needed, the illusion of importance through pain. Now your nervous system is detoxing. It doesn't know what safety feels like yet. So it calls peace boredom. It calls distance loneliness. It calls boundaries selfishness. But stay with it. Don't run back to the noise just because it's familiar. You are not broken. You are recalibrating. Healing asks you to sit in stillness until your body learns that quiet doesn't mean danger. Until your mind stops mistaking calm for loss. Until your heart beats steady without chaos to chase it. Chapter 4, The Quiet Rebuild. After the storm comes a silence that feels almost unreal. The days are slower. The nights are lighter. You start to breathe deeper, not because everything is perfect, but because nothing is pretending anymore. You begin to rebuild quietly. No announcements. No grand comeback. Just better choices. You'll learn that boundaries are not walls, they're gates. They don't keep love out, they let peace in. You'll learn that being selective with your energy doesn't make you cold, it makes you wise. And you'll begin to trust the small things again, the morning light, the sound of rain, the way stillness feels on your skin. That's the new life forming. Not loud, not dramatic, just real. Chapter 5, The Acceptance. Healing doesn't give you back what you lost, it gives you back what you forgot. You'll remember what it's like to enjoy your own company. You'll rediscover peace that doesn't depend on approval. And you'll finally understand, not everyone is meant to go with you. Some were lessons. Some were anchors. Some were mirrors. But none were mistakes. When you stop fighting what left, you make room for what's real. When you stop forcing what's gone, you finally feel what's here. Healing will cost you your old life, but it will return you to yourself. You'll walk lighter, speak softer, think clearer. And one day you'll look back at the person who thought this pain would never end and realize they were your beginning. You're not breaking, you're becoming. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength."